Hello, Reka peeps! I'm back. This is Daddy Eric. So we're now going to unbox another gadget for most of the vlogger and mobile filmmaker or cinematographer. So this is the ASUS ZenGimbal. Let's now unbox it. Ooh, it comes with hard case with ASUS ZenGimbal label, and of course user's manual. Ooh, what's this? A welcome card. So it shows the first and second step, how you put the cell phone on the gimbal. And one more, so small box inside. Oh, comes with a wrist strap, and a pouch, carrying bag. What else? A charging cable. So you can see here, it's already a USB-C. So it will be compatible for most of the latest models of the laptops in the market already. So that's it. No more. So let's now open the carrying bag. The case, sorry. So this is a small tripod. Then a counterweight. You're going to use this when you're using some heavier phones to balance the phone on the gimbal. And the main event, the gimbal itself. So you can see it's very handy. You can almost put this on your pocket already. And this is tricky. When you first open this, how you going to open this? So tricky. But if you follow the instructions, there are some videos how to unfold this one. So first, you have to open this and wait for the ding. Then press this button and lift this. Then wait for the click. That's it. Next is you press this button, so to release, then pull, then wait for the click again. That's it. So that's it. It's already open. So you're gonna put the phone here. This is the phone holder. Then when you put the phone here without powering it on, it's not balanced. I mean, it's not positioned on a capturing mode already. So you have to turn it on first. But before do that, you have to attach the phone before you turn it on, because it's not recommended to fold or to move this when the power is on already. So let's put the tripod here.
Helicopter, helicopter.
So you can see here this is the record button or the power button also. When you press and hold to power it on, and this is the manual button. So if you wanna change to different modes, you can press this in some, depends on the mode, once, twice, or thrice. So, and this is the joystick. Another good thing in this ASUS ZenGimbal is that they got these two popular awards when it comes to the design. So the Good Design and the IF Design Awards. So we can say that this is really passed on the quality and standards of most of the gimbals in the market. You can utilize the features of this ASUS gimbal by downloading the dedicated app for this gadget. You can get it from Google Play or App Store. You can just scan this QR code, or you can go directly to your App Store from your phone. So for some of the highlight features of this ASUS ZenGimbal is the vortex mode. I don't know if you already seen some videos that has rotating 360. That effect was done using the gimbal, and ASUS ZenGimbal already has those feature already. It's an unlimited vortex mode. And another feature for this gimbal is it has the wide angle shot mode. So it means your gimbal will turn your camera in the wide angle position. So there's a certain mode that you will going to press here. One of my favorite actually the feature of this gimbal is the object following, or the object tracking or face tracking, because if you turn it on, the gimbal itself will follow you wherever you go, as long as your face is being tracked by the gimbal. So you can never hide. It's really funny. I saw some video of that. And guys, this is another feature of ASUS ZenGimbal, the moving time lapse, the hyperlapse. It shows in the app. It's a hyperlapse. So usually when we have a phone and it has a time lapse, you can only capture it in a steady mode, right? But if you use this ZenGimbal, you can set the start angle and the end angle of your time-lapse video. Nice, right? So if you want to capture some highways or playing or moving clouds like that, so you can set the start frame, then the end frame. The time lapse you can see is actually moving during that, and you can set the duration and the speed of that. So that's nice. One of those best feature for this gimbal. Alright, that's it. You can watch my experience video on the link below. I'll post it once I already uploaded. And don't forget to like and subscribe and comment to our channel, TheRecanas. So see you on my next unboxing video. Bye!